welcome back to my channel Penning Silly Thoughts. I finally got some time to take my brushes and paint out. We'll be painting this picture in this tutorial, but before we get started, I just wanted to inform you that this is the first time I'll be painting mountains by myself without following any tutorial. And also I'll be using brush instead of a knife to get that mountainy look in the painting. So both of these things are a little tricky, but we'll figure it out as we move forward. So without any delay, let's get started.
Apply oil as the base. I'm actually using linseed oil from Camlin. Mix red, blue and white to get that pink shade. I'm using Crimson Lake Red, Prussian Blue and Flake White hue for this shade. So the color gets lighter as you move down. Take a small round brush and use white to draw that edge line. Pink was a little darker, so I'm using lots of white to have that clouded feeling and made the color a lot more lighter than what it was before. Mix blue and white to make the clouds. I'm using Prussian blue and white flake hue again. Make sure the lower part of your sheet has lighter clouds and overall a lighter color as compared to the top part. Make a rough outline of the mountain for both top and bottom. And again the bottom should be lighter than the top part. Reason being the bottom is actually a reflection of the mountain and of the grass above, so everything down the edge line or the horizontal line would be lighter. After filling the mountain with light uniform white, I'm actually going to now patch my mountain with thick white to give it a mountainy feel. Do not press the brush too hard. Take lots of white on your brush and press it gently so that you can get that flaky white color. On the lower part of the mountain below the edge line, you can actually simply smoothly paint it because it is again a reflection and does not have that peaky thing in it. I've now mixed more blue with a little red and a little white to color parts of the mountain which are not covered with snow. Make sure to paint the lower half of the sheet in vertical strokes to get that reflection. I'm using sap green with Prussian blue to get the darker green color of the trees. Since the white paint of the mountains is still wet, pat very lightly on the sheet to get dark green, otherwise it will just blend with white and will not give the desired color. for the lower half, I won't need to make fine trees. A uniform vertical green patch will do the work for us. The area near the tree reflection is actually a little white in the actual picture, so I am just doing post processing of the painting. You should ideally do this before you start painting the green trees.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and share it with your friends so that they can also learn painting and eventually start painting themselves. And subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you soon. Bye!